Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Now to start off, we are going to be using two cutouts of 20 inches in length of Aso Oke to make our smaller butterfly. As usual, you fold the edges on both sides, then put it together just like you're seeing. And now we're going to go to our machine. We're going to run our stitches from like an opposite C, like an opposite C. So we run our stitches and then I'll be back to show. So whatever I'm doing in the first one, I did it to the second one. So this is two of them. So as you can see, unlike the other one, it's a little bit smaller. This is because I want our butterfly to be smaller. So for folding our butterfly, I've already taught us how to do this. So for one end to the opposite direction, you're going to be pleating, and then with your needle and thread, you're going to be tacking it. So you keep it aside, do the same thing for the other side. Now you're going to be joining both of them together with the same needle and thread. Join the both of them together and that's how you form your butterfly. All you need to do is tack it and make sure you secure it properly. Next, for the loop, we're going to be using 25 inches of our Aso Oke, and then for the Warden that we folded to form our loop, inner loop, it's 23 inches of the thick Warden. I'll leave a link to in my description box on how I made this thick Warden, how I folded it. Anyway, you can still watch and learn how I'm covering it with the Aso Oke, but I would advise you go back to that other video and watch how I achieved my loop and the inner thick Warden. Alright, I'll be using my glue to secure the end so it doesn't pull out or fall out. Right now my loop is ready, and also I also have my butterfly ready, then I have my base ready. I also have a video of how to make your base. Up next, we're going to be working with our applique. Now I'm going to be using this applique to beautify, or rather decorate, the butterfly that I already made as usual now. So cut out the measurements that you will need to cover. Still with your glue, apply a little amount of glue and then you stick it on the butterfly. Still with our applique, I'm also going to be beautifying the base just to add a little bit of fling on it. So first of all, I would stick from one end and then measure down and get to the end just to get the exact size that I need. Then the remaining, I'm going to be cutting it off. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing is to use the loop to run round the base. So what I'm going to be doing is to find the middle of my base and the middle point, or the place I want to be in front of the loop, both the loop and the base. And once I find it and locate it, I'll be running it with my glue, matching it with the middle of the loop. So you have to be careful so you don't spill glue all around. And you know the method: apply your glue, give it a press hold of about 5 to 10 seconds, and you keep repeating that process until you've properly, or you've successfully glued your loop all around your base.
I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in.
Alright, this is what we're trying to achieve, and next is we're going to be using the piece of cloth that I cut out, sewed it, no exact measurement at all. So what I'm trying to do now is to cover the inner part of it, to have a clean inner part of it. So I'm going to be gluing it to cover that inner part so that the inside will be looking neat as usual. So that's what we're doing now. We're going to run it all through. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to all my subscribers and those who are yet to join the family. I'm asking you to please click on that subscribe button and join the family. We have a whole lot to learn. I have a whole lot of videos to post here on how to make Aso Oke, on how to make fascinators, different kind of things. And if you feel you have a design you want to send to me, reach out to me on my Instagram, send me the picture, and I will make a redo of that particular video for you. And I usually post videos on Wednesdays and on Sundays, but sometimes I post in between. But just ring the notification bell and you will be notified whenever I post a video. So I want to say thank you to all of you. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you to the new ones. Thank you. I appreciate. Alright, next we're going to be attaching our butterfly to the back of our fascinator that we've already formed and covered with the loop. So I'm going to be adding a generous amount of glue and attach the butterfly to the back. Just try and make sure that the butterfly is at the back. Sometimes the loop can be a little bit one-sided, but try to make sure that everything is at the back. And then after applying the glue, letting it dry a little bit, what next you're going to do is use your needle and thread, attack it on this side and then on the other side too, just to secure the butterfly and make sure it's not going to fall out. Next, we're going to be using our glue again to put on our Alice band. Just put enough glue, that will be enough. Put it on the Alice band and then you're going to find the perfect place to attach your Alice band inside the base. So this is how I'm doing it. To secure Alice band properly, so I cut out a piece of material, black material, to match the inside too. Added my glue, and then I'm going to be using it to hold down my Alice band, just to give it a perfect secure. You don't want to be doing that needle and thread thing, no. Finally, to properly beautify our fascinator, we're still going back with that same applique that we had left, cut it out and use it to cover all those diagonal areas on the loop, just to make it pop out, beautify it. You understand what I'm saying? You can do it anyhow you want to, but for me this is the way I prefer to do mine. So guys, I want to be hearing from you. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. I will gladly answer you. Trust me. I need to be hearing from you guys. I want to know what you guys think. So don't forget to like, share my video, and subscribe for those who have not subscribed. Please, thank you. You're doing a whole lot for me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.